Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 4th of August, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today in real time and help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour, we haven't seen any clear direction. You can see here consolidation. And if you look at here right now, the price is developed another downside channel pattern. Still looking here. Tomorrow, let's see if the price is going to break, then probably to take a short trade here. If the price is going to respect this level, then probably long. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you how I analyzed today. We haven't seen any big few PPs. I think only made a few PPs here. Let me share with you guys. You can see based on the market condition, even today, you can see here we didn't have, this was the breakout trade. This is the analysis I did at the London Open. You can see here that was the beautiful just before London Open. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see here, price nicely respected here even in 4-hour. So we had technically we had this breakout. So as soon as the price hit to the first target and at the major support level, as you can see, this is the level in 4-hour, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So that's the only one analysis we had. After that, basically you can see market reacted differently. So we're still waiting to price break this pattern. Then we're going to be taking a pullbacks if the price going to break this major structure. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar. We had a quite interesting moves on pound dollar. As you can see here, let's see on pound dollar in, let's talk about the 4-hour charts. Yesterday, we can see here some nice big short move here. We were expecting price might going to break this trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. And afterward this morning, even in the Asian session, with this candle, we had some bearish rejection. I explained my trader to take this breakout, which they have taken it. We banked beautiful pips this morning. And afterwards at the New York session, after the PMI news, we were short at the breakout. Let me share with you the analysis. So technically what we see it right now, if you look at the bigger picture, you can see here the price develop this pattern, and if you look at here, develop another side channel. So there's a two way to look at. I'm looking into it. If the price is going to break this level previously, then technically I would consider this would be bearish flag pattern if the price is going to break. Tomorrow we'll let you know. So far we can see a bearish engulfing candle, but right now London is closed. Let's see how the market is going to do. But if you look at tomorrow, we had a quite high impact news for the pound. And if you look at the Bollinger Band is squeezing it, right? So that's giving another opportunity is going to developing it. So we'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you the how we analyze market at the Asian and the London morning session and the New York session, right? So if you look at this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, nighttime. Explain my trader, because we have some rejection here. You can see in 4-hour, that's the rejection we had it, and the price reverse, and that's what I explained to trader. As always mentioned to my trader, if the price is broken this previous high after the breakout, price retest, safest way this pattern, which is I explained to trader breakout, which price nicely broken. Beautiful long trade at the Asian session. Nice beautiful trade for Asian traders. Then at the today London morning, we have faced some consolidation, as you can see here. And after this consolidation, I developed another pattern. I said look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and nicely hit to the blue fib channel, which is technically, if you look at here, that's the level which previously price respected in 4-hour. That's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying pipping. So beautiful pips we had it London morning session. And at the New York session, as soon as the price, you can see technically, you can see the price is nicely respected here, but the news was about to come, which is PMI news. As you can see here, I developed, guys, safest way to look if the price is going to break this previous low, which price nicely broke on, and I explained to trader keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. So we'll let you know tomorrow. We had a quite interesting, expecting it quite interesting moves on pound dollar. We'll let you know, but this is the trade we have done today, and bang, beautiful pips. Most of my traders, they really enjoyed it. Right, so dollar CAD, let's look at the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, no as such clear direction, even you can see here, but you can see, but technically you can see here price nicely respected here. Beautiful this level. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. We had it Asian session yesterday. Yeah, yesterday you can see here price came back and we closed all our position here, and we were short at the Asian session, because if you look at the reason why I'm saying it short, because if you look at this candle pattern, inside candle pattern, bearish inside candle pattern, and we were expecting this breakout, so we had a beautiful short trade here. And afterwards, as soon as the price developed a double bottom here, we had this long trade here, breakout, bang, beautiful pips. Let me share with you all that scenario, how we analyze it here in intraday. You can see here yesterday, let me share with you guys. Okay, so yesterday we had this beautiful long trade here, which is in 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, this is the long trade I'm talking about. Beautiful. And this is the moves, and afterwards when the price developed a double top here at this level, and that's what we explained to trader, look for this breakout. Price nicely broken, and after the breakout we have another beautiful pullback, bang, beautiful pips. And I explained to trader, look, price developed another pattern, developing a double bottom, so might going to see some reversal at this level. As you can see, even in 4 hour looks like a double bottom. So price nicely broken, and this pattern here, as this is analysis, had a few pps which just came out at the break even, by the way, to be honest. And at the New York session we have another breakout just before the crude oil inventories. We bank only few pps here, and afterwards still some of the traders still holding long, but good luck, but we managed beautiful pips on this one. So we had managed beautiful pips, and let me share with you a couple of more analysis. We had a beautiful short trade on dollar yen, all the yen pair. Let's say dollar yen. If you show you here, we had this beautiful short trade here. This is the news, PMI news, or we were short here. You can see here, let me share with you guys. You can see here this morning we had the Asian session. That's the sorry, not this one, this one. You can see here at the Asian session we had a breakout short trade, beautiful pips. And we also had it pound yen, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here we were short and then we were long both. We really enjoyed pound yen, by the way, because the thing is, if you look at, we were yesterday we had this price respected, so we were long here at this level, bang, beautiful pips. Then we were short here, bang, beautiful pips. Then we were long again. So within this 4 hour candles we had a buy sell. Let me share with you how we did it as an intraday. That's the most important thing. Okay, so if you look at this is the analysis I did at the, let me make it slightly bigger. This is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Once we have this rejection, and I did this analysis, look for this breakout. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. We had this breakout and another pullback, beautiful. This morning I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Reason why I said, because the price wasn't reached to the previous high at this level. 4 hour, that's what we said, trader enjoying pipping, bank beautiful pips. Then afterwards, as you can see here, as soon as the price respected here at the resistance level, look at here, and in intraday sort of head and shoulder pattern or triple top, and that's what we explained to trader. We need a pattern breakout, and you can see here the price nicely respected here based on this analysis. Explain to trader, if the price gonna break, then we're long. If the price gonna break, the short, because this is the edge we are looking. We're always looking for edge. Beautiful. As soon as the price came back to the same level as it respected previously, and that's what we explained to trader, guys, enjoying pipping, banking, pimping, and enjoying pipping. And then at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. Look at this 4-hour price respected here previously. Look at it in intraday. That's what I did. So if the price is going to break, then short, otherwise long. What happened here? You can see here price develop a double bottom, and that's what I explained to my trader. Look here, the price respected these levels, and then when the price broke on this one, explained to breakout is performed, and another pullback long. You can see here, because the news was good for the dollar and bad for the yen. That's why the pound shoot up. Fantastic. You can see here, as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA at this level, as soon as the price reversed, explain my trader, guys, enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade, especially on pound yen. As you can see, guys, within this consolidation in a 4-hour, how many pips we managed it beautifully. And all of these analyses are 100% valid as a technical analysis. This is what we call intraday analysis, and that's what we do every single day, not just broadcasting analysis, because keep an eye on all this analysis. As soon as the opportunity is raised, then we communicate with the traders, guys, breakout is about to perform, just to help traders initiative it, right? So that's why we're helping them to bank beautiful pips. That's very interesting way to develop trading skill in real time. And when the trader have any questions, any doubts, they can ask simple questions and we reply instantly through live audio commentary. So we're really enjoying it, pipping it. And as I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis review. But as I always mention, the interesting part of it, to watch those analysis in real time, banking pips in real time, and developing your skills in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, will definitely, help you to get funded. And that's what exactly, though, if you are interested and how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time, and how I help them to get funded through prop firms, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So it's a completely free, guys. And even if you are a professional trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading based on the 4-hour, but we analyze in intraday, which is we give all that information and training. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys, join my fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.